Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It has been a long time. I have not, been able to film anything forever because I had no way to. Both the phones basically killed out. No other camera. Well, I have another camera, but it doesn't really do video. Well, not well. So anyway, I decided I would jump on it and do a video about this planner I just got in the mail. Just got delivered. I ordered this from AliExpress, and this is a Kinbor Techo. It's supposed to be like a Hobonichi. It's an A5 size. I'm not going to lie, it's a whole lot smaller than what I thought it was going to be. I had been looking at the Hobonichi Cousins forever, and they're quite expensive. $65, I think. I think I found one for, I don't know, 40 something, but it seemed a bit much. So I was looking on AliExpress, sorry, about allergies, and I saw this, and I said, you know what? I think I'm going to try it, and I'm going to compare, see this, well, let me open this up, this size to the size of my classic Happy Planner. And you can see how much smaller this really is. I don't know, for some reason I thought this was going to be bigger, and I don't know if it's this brand is smaller. I don't know. This is my first time getting one of these. So I'm going to open it up and see what it's all about. And it came quick. I ordered it from AliExpress on I just totally lost when it's only been like a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks. It's been fast. I ordered it like on the 20th, 29th of November, so it's been fast. It might be 2 weeks. I'd have to go back and look for sure. But you get this little book about the Kinbor Techo. You can see what it says. I can't read this morning. It's one of those days, and it says instructions, but as we can see, most of the instructions are in Japanese, which that's fine. I mean, the book is self-explanatory, basically. So, I guess if you wanted to use that, like I say, the back part, I have, no idea, because I can't read Japanese. But, all right, it's relatively thin. It does have 2022 stamped right there on the side. And it says, manage time and control life. Turn the page on yesterday, only ever think about today and tomorrow. I have no idea what that says, of course. But the cover is kind of a fairly thick cover. It's, I don't know what you call it. It's not leather. It's a, I don't know, plasticky kind of. It doesn't feel bad. I mean, it's good and sturdy. The cover is good and sturdy. It's got this pearlescent looking page on the inside here, but like I say, it's good, pretty sturdy cover, seems like. That page there is fairly thick. And here we go. It says 2022 Techo, manage time and control life. Now the paper, I have never had a Hobonichi, so I do not know what the paper is supposed to feel like in one of those. All I know is what I'm feeling, and it is thin paper, but it's nice and smooth. It's real nice and smooth paper. I like the feel of that. So you have your 2021, 22, and 23 calendars, and no clue. I'm going to be honest, no clue. And I think that's the days of the weeks there. Here is a monthly for the, and this is for the whole year, I take it. I like how that's laid out. I do wish the lines were a little bit bigger because I write a little bit bigger, but I'm going to train myself to write smaller for this. So you have your monthlies there all the way to December. This is a January start, isn't it? Yes, it's a January start. And it goes to December. And then here's your regular monthlies. And it is a January start. I do like the size of this is pretty good. And you have all your 12 months 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, through December there. And this, let's see what this is here. Okay, and then you have a yearly plan. This divides this and the weeklies. You have a yearly plan page. And there's just blank for whatever you want to put up there. And then you have your little monthly boxes down here. Plan of a new year. And I guess this would be, since it's just 2 grid pages, this would be basically like the same thing. Just a year, kind of a brain dump kind of pages, I guess. And then you start into your weeklies. And this is the main reason why, I'm not going to kid you, this is the main reason why I wanted to try one of these, because I thought this was pretty cool. Now this is the ending of December into the 1st of January. So it's kind of confusing when you first look at it, because it says 1 here, but this is actually the end of December, and then your January starts here, since January 1st is on a Saturday. So that's pretty cool. And then you going into your monthlies. Now this is hourly, and I don't know how well you can see that, because I can't see what, I think you can see it. The lighting's pretty rad in here. Well, not rad, it's kind of crappy. You can probably see that. It's your hourly there. You have like, that looks like a little cup, break time, I don't know, but it goes 24 hours, it looks like. And then you have up here like little weather things you can do. There's an apple, I guess that's, I don't know, school, exercise, I don't know what that is. Looks like a roll of toilet paper, I don't know. Hey, I'm new at this, I'm just saying, you know, I have no clue what it is, but I like the way this is. I'll probably get used to this size. This is going to be something new for me. I'm still going to use my Happy Planner, yes, but I had really wanted one of these. And if I did not say this, I paid, with a coupon on AliExpress, I think my total was $12. No, wait, I lie. $13 for this. Compared to 60-something for a Hobonichi. Yeah, I'll take it all day long. Like I say, the paper is thin and it's really smooth. I've heard that it's not as thin as the paper in a Hobonichi, but I'm fine with that. You know, if it's saving me 60-something dollars, I'm not going to complain. I do, however, want to get me some little tabs for this. I mean, it's you can see on the side there, probably, if I flip the pages back like that, you can see, like, where your mutts would be, like here. So I do want to get me some little tabs for that. Somewhere, I don't know. I can probably order some. And if they came as quick as this came, they'll be here by January. So then you have all your weeklies, and you have all 12 months. And it doesn't look like it would fit in here, does it? But it does. And then here's an index page. Page, title, date. You could use that for a number of different things, I suppose. I don't know. I guess if this is important dates you wanted to keep up with, you could list them here. Page. I guess you could number these. I don't know. It has your weeks numbered out here, so I don't know. I don't know what you would use that for, but that's kind of cool. Then you have some just plain grid. Plain grid paper here. Back to, you got quite a bit of just grid paper that you could use for whatever. I don't know what I'll use it for, but I'll find something. And then you get back to this, and then this is a schedule. And it's just 1 week here. Monday through Sunday. With times, and then annual target. I don't... 21-day plan. The 21-day plan thing, that might be good for one of the savings challenges or something. Favorites. Now, this is pretty cool. It's got music, food, movies, and books. Oh, I deciphered that all on my own. I like this. That's really cool. I like that. So you've got a couple of pages of that, and then you have encyclopedia. Yeah. Don't ask me what it says, because I don't know. And then here's a map of China. Yep, my Chinese map. So, and then there's a world map. I don't know what you put in that. I have no idea what that's. A gourmet recommended. Yeah, not going to be recommending that. Well, not translating that because I have no clue. But it's pretty. I like how this is written out. I think the Japanese writing is pretty. These little pictures here are nice. It's pleasing to look at. So I like that. And this is Kinbor Techo 2022 Life Document. That's pretty cool. Personal information, name, profession, birthday, address, mobile phone, email, and emergency contact. I don't know. And then the back cover. And it says Kinbor Creation on the bottom back there. Now they have, I think I got this in the Willow Tree store, is who I actually got it from. And I was thinking that it said on here. Kinbor has a store on AliExpress. And I don't think that's actually the store I ordered it from. And I think the name of the place I ordered it from was a Willow Tree store. Anyway, if you look them up on AliExpress, they have a bunch of different books. Oh, wait, what was that? Dr. Dave. That might tell me something to do. I don't know. Oh, Dave. I don't know. This is showing you the different books, I believe. Because they do have different books. They have a Day Free. They have the Fortune Tiger one. So, okay, let's see here. We got the A6 and the A5. The A6 would be extremely small. Oh, way smaller than I would be able to use because I can't write that. Oh, sorry, I can't write that tiny. So, yeah, this is the ones that they have. And they have, and it shows you, it took me a long time to figure out which one to get because I wanted this particular layout. So, if you see this and you want this particular layout, then you will order the one that says Manage Time and Control Life. It's time management. I will put this up here in case, can you see that? Hopefully. If anybody can see the information on there. I don't know if you'll be able to decipher that. But that's the one that I got. And like I say, it was like $13 with the coupons, I think. They're not expensive. These ones are not expensive. They're like I say, $14, $15. And even though the size is smaller than what I was expecting, I'm really happy with it. I wasn't sure at first because, you know, some of these books, like the Hobonichis, come in a set of 2. But I'm really happy with this. I think I'm going to enjoy trying it out. In addition to my Happy Planner, because I'm not giving that up either, but I've always wanted to try one of these, something that's smaller that I could tote around with me, but yeah, I really like this. So, okay, I'm going to end it here since I have rambled enough. Again, it is the Kinbor from AliExpress, and it is the Time Management is the one that I got, Manage Time and Control Life, the 2022 book from AliExpress. And like I say, there are several stores on AliExpress that sell this. I'm going to put it back in this little case. And it does have the little strings. There are several stores on there that carry this. The one I got it from just happened to have this particular one on sale. So there's that. But, so yeah. If you've been looking for one and you don't want to pop out the money for a Hobonichi like I didn't want to because I just bought another Happy Planner, give this a shot. Like I said, I'm really pleased. It had said that I would not get this until January the 2nd. So it was quick. A whole lot quicker than I thought it was going to be. It actually came through New York. The mailing address that it came from on this one was from New York. So, yeah, I really like it. Okay, that's it. I quit. I'm going to try to get out some new videos since I have this phone. It's recording videos. Hopefully it will keep recording well. And I will be able to do some new videos to get back into the swing of things. So thanks. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the video. And I will see you guys soon. Bye for now.